Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sunny again. Today we are going to discuss about Mac keyboard symbols and shortcuts. So why bother learning about Mac shortcuts? Because it is the easiest way to do things faster and more conveniently, and that makes your job less frustrating and more productive. For example, if you need to do a lot of copy paste work, it is much more faster and convenient to do it using the shortcut rather than by clicking your mouse or trackpad. So this video has been divided into multiple part series. In the first one, we learn about the symbols and the most important shortcuts like cut, copy, paste, etc., which we use frequently in our day-to-day life. And in the second video, we will cover some advanced stuff like document and finder shortcuts. And thereafter, we will discuss some more shortcuts like how to put your Mac to sleep and log out and screenshots, etc. So before we get started, let's familiarize ourselves with the modifier keys. So as you can see in the picture here, we I'm basically covering only 6 modifier keys here. So the command key, which was earlier also known as the Apple key, and you have the Windows key in the Windows equivalent. Then the option key in the Windows system, you have you know this as the Alt key. Okay, so the caps lock, the shift, control, and the function keys. So just take a moment here and try to locate the keys on your keyboard and just familiarize yourself with these keys. Okay, so let's start with the first one, the copy paste. So in Windows, what basically you do is Control C for copy and Control V for paste. So in Mac, we have Command C for copy and Command V for paste. So let me show you. So I've created a small document. So for example, if I want to copy something like Mac tutorial, so I'll just highlight this portion, then I'll press Command C. So I've copied it, and then I'll say Command V. So now I have pasted this on the location of the cursor in this document. Okay, if I change the location of my cursor again and press Command V again, then it pastes again. Okay, so Command C for copying and Command V for pasting. Next one is the undo and redo operation. Okay, so undo is Command Z. So if I press Command Z, see the earlier uh, text which we had pasted is now gone. So the operation has we have done the undo successfully. Now to redo it, what we do is we press Command Shift Z. Now we have successfully redone the operation. Okay, and after that we have select all. Now this is actually one of the most handy keys I've found, because most of the time I do require this functionality of selecting all the text in my documents and pasting it to some other some other document. So what you have to do here is Command A. Now all of the text is copied to the is basically selected, not sorry I'm sorry not copied, it is selected. Okay, okay, and now we'll discuss the find. For example, if you want to find a certain word, so what you press is Command F. As you can see, the search box has come up, and there I'll type Mac. So what basically this does is it performs a search for that particular keyword and highlights it where it finds a match. So if you want to find it again, for example, if you want to find the next occurrence for this keyword, then what we do is we press Command G. So you can see the next occurrences here on the top. Then again Command G, again Command G, again Command G. So this is moving forward. It is showing the next occurrence of the same keyword. Now for example, if I want to search it backwards, then I press Shift Command G, Shift Command G. So now I can go backwards searching my keyword. Alright, so far so good. Okay, that's with the document. We'll just close it for the while. Okay, now one very basic operation, one very basic shortcut which most of you must be familiar with, but still for the sake of this video learning shortcuts, I will demonstrate it to you. How to switch applications. So if you want to switch between multiple applications, the shortcut is Command Tab. So you can see I have multiple applications here. Now if I press the tab again, keeping the command key pressed, I can switch between multiple applications. So I have to keep my command key pressed, the modifier key, and then I press the tab key. So I can switch between multiple applications. Then we have the spotlight search. What basically I do here is, for the spotlight search, I press Command and space. Now I type in whatever program I want to open. For example, if I want to open the terminal, I'll type terminal and press enter or return key. So I open a terminal. So the spotlight search is handy if you want to open your programs quickly. Now for example, if I want to open text edit, again I press command and then spacebar, and I press and I type text edit. So here's my text edit. Okay, so the next one is taking a screenshot. Now I'll be basically covering this in detail in the videos which I'm making in the future, but for the time being I'll just give you the quick shortcut to get a full screen capture. So that will be Shift Command and 3. So here you can see, so here's basically I've done the screen capture, the screenshot. All right. Okay, now quitting the application. For example, if I want to close this application, either I can click on the cross or I can do Command Q. So it's gone. If I want to close the window which is in front of me, for example, right now, let me just open this. For example, right now this screenshot is the application, it is the front window which is opened in front of me. So if I want to just close this, what do? I press Command W and it's gone. Now if I want to close all the windows, then what I do is Command Option and W. Oops. Oh, sorry. Let me introduce you again to closing all the windows of the. Okay. I have the terminal here. So what I do is I open another instance of this terminal, of this program. So what I do is Command N. Okay, so it opens another instance. Again, I press Command N. It opens another instance. Command N. It opens another instance. So now I have 4 instances of the same program running. Now if I want to close all the if I want to close the front instance, which is this one, what do? So I press Command W. So the front window has been closed. But if I want to close all of these, then what do? If I want to close instances of the same application in one time, what I do is Command Option W. So all of them are gone. Okay. So that's about it for now. In the next video, we'll learn more about documents and Finder shortcuts. Uh, if you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments section what type of videos you would like to see in future. This helps us build more targeted and meaningful content for you. Till then, take care and see you.